Net for India domain transferred but not activated. How to activate your domain? ICANN has appointed Public Domain Registry, that is PDR Limited, as the gaining registrar for domain names, sponsored by the terminated registrar Net for India Limited. After your domain is transferred to PDR, you can manage it through its partner brand BigRock. BigRock is onboarding the domain names and creating accounts for domain holders so they can manage their names. But what if your domain is transferred but not activated? Step 1. Start with a lookup on your domain's whois record. Here you can see that the search domain has been transferred on 27th May 2021 successfully, and current registrar on record is Public Domain Registry. But named servers records are not updated yet, and that is why your domain is not working. Let's proceed to the step 2. In the step 2, do a check on your domain name's transfer status at BigRock website. When we have checked the same domain name status at BigRock website, we have got the following message. The domain name is not included in the list of Net for India names being transferred to us. And this is the reason, this is the problem basically, why your domain is not functioning even after a successful transfer to PDR Limited, and why your name servers are not updated. Let's discuss the possible reasons and solution. As per the information updated on Public Domain Registry and their partner brand BigRock's websites, there are two scenarios where a transferred domain has not been activated. First is the contact information available with us is either incomplete or invalid. And the second reason is the domain name was not included in the list provided by Net for India's escrow partner, so we have no record of ownership. If you don't have access to your domain name yet, please contact us with your identification documents and evidence of prior ownership of the domain name. Our team will verify your details and help you get access to the domain name. Now let's talk about the possible solution. Visit BigRock website and initiate a chat with the below mentioned details as available that can help support your association to the domain name. Try to arrange as much as possible from the list given here. Name of the domain. Ensure the current registrar on record of your domain name is PDR. We have already checked this in step 1 in this video. ID proof of the current registrant of domain name, like driver's license, passport, Aadhaar card, or any other valid ID proof. Registration and renewal paid invoices copies of your domain names issued by Net for India. Screenshot of domain registration or renewal confirmation emails clearly showing the form and 2 email IDs. In the from to mail IDs, there should be your name in the to field, and Net for India's email should be in the from field. It should be clearly shown. Next is the Net for India panel screenshots. If you have earlier taken in case, then you can also keep ready Net for India panel screenshot with you that shows the listing of your domain names with the registrant details. And in the last, any other credible proof that validates your association with the domain name. If you provide these details at the time of chatting with the customer support of BigRock, and if all the things are going well, then after successful verification of your details, you may get access to the domain name. For a possible resolution to your query, you may also drop mails on the following given email addresses. To get a callback request from PDR Limited, just open the link as given here and go to the bottom of the page, and there you will find a feedback form. Just fill that form and submit, and you may get a call from the PDR regarding your query. These links are also available in the video description area. For updated information on domain transfer process, please visit the following web page as given here. This is the website of BigRock, especially managed page for Net for India registrants. And you may also call on BigRock support helpline numbers if you need so. In case of no response, not any response either from Big Rock or from PDR Limited, mail at ICANN Global Contact at globalsupport@icann.org. These links are also available in the video description area. Thank you.